Okay, YouTube, so I'm back this week with a surprise in my hands. So, remember, what was it, a week or two ago? I bought myself Nerf Recon, right? CS-6. CS-6, right? Piece of shit, right? And I did a response video to that kid shooting himself, like, yeah, right? So, yeah, what was I? Nerf Recon 6, shit, right? I went up. I splurged on myself somewhat, right? And bought myself an Airsoft gun, right? Not when I was high-end, like, P90s for, like, Echo 1. Ready yet? I went cheap. At least more, right? Went cheap, bought myself the Dual Eagle M5H5 tactical shotgun, right? From Airsoft GI. So my friend bought us a while back, $40 roughly with tax and shipping. This bad boy is mine now, right? Sexy beast. She's around 400, 350, 400 FPS, right? The box is 400. I think it's like 350 tops, but it's manly. Even has a hop up. Real one, right? Adjustable hop up. Right. There you go. We see it. Safety. Fire switch, right? Safety and fire switch. It's a pump shotgun. Awesome. Sexy beast. So, I'm gonna do a firing test, right? Comparisons between an Airsoft gun and a Nerf gun. Strange enough. Probably no one has done this before, but yeah. Speed loader. 14 round magazine for the shotgun. So, strange. It only fits around 13. Yeah. I put 14 in the speed loader, got 13 out. So, toss this one to use. So I made it bored enough. Made it use PVC, so don't want to dirty my gun. Toss that one right in there. And since you know, or don't know, that I'm not the best in English, right? So I'm gonna take out a book. So, pretty thin book. Don't want to show the title. This literature. So, yeah, that's gonna be my firing station-ish, right? So, right. I'm gonna try to zoom in somewhat. Give me a sec. Okay, I'm zooming. Into the book. So, I bear sight, so I put my glasses on. So, first I'm gonna shoot the shit. One to two rounds from the Nerf gun. So, you see the barrel? So I'm not faking you. I'm shooting from about 5 feet. Two. Fire it off because of the barrel. And I got jam. See? Nerf gun the shit. I jammed it to 3. Now, bad boy itself. Money baby. Fire it all. I'm gonna step a little closer, is a better angle shooting. Took it down. Fire blanks one. So yeah. It's not the best. It's an upgrade. An upgrade. So you're all those haters out there on YouTube that say Nerf guns are powerful when modded. Bullshit, right? They're friendly. They don't hurt. But if I had a chrono and I pumped this correctly, 400 FPS. Unlikely for a Nerf gun to hit 400. So fuck y'all haters, right? Peace, yo.